Uh-oh, spaghetti-o. What is that drill doing in this bedroom? This is where my home away from home has been for the last week. I'm helping out a friend down here, some friends in Marin, close to San Francisco. Yes. What is up with this door anyways? Let's just take a quick look at that. I'm setting up my tripod here. Now every time I close the door, watch what happens. It's not closing all the way. You gotta push pretty hard to get it to click. You see that? So if you're just closing it normal, it's not gonna close. You have to push hard to get it. And I don't like that. And there's gotta be a way to fix that. And the funny thing is, this is happening on three other doors in this house. In the bathroom, the same thing's happening. How can we fix that? Well, we look at the strike plate on here. Sometimes the strike plate has a little tab in it, except this one doesn't have anything there. It's just this edge. So the way I'm going to fix this is I need to ream off this edge just a little bit. Okay, and I'm going to do that with my drill here. I don't use this drill that much anymore. Usually I use a battery operated drill. And I went to the store, and some stores don't have this little goodie here. See this? This is called a rotary file. See? It's got edges on it, and they have some of these that are straight or one that's a cone, all different kinds. And so I cut this out. Let's see if I can't get it out of the package. Jeez. Come on. Here we go. That's the first thing you got to do, is get it out of the silly package here. Okay. See all the teeth on there? It's like that all the way around. And this says for cutting, shaping, or I can't even hardly read it. Or forming. And it's hardened, tempered steel for increased durability. Right in there. See that? So, theory has it, this is going to last me a while. Okay? And so I'm going to stick that in the drill. And make sure you wear some eye goggles too. And I also have some toilet paper in my ears for my earplugs. Okay, so I'm gonna stick this. I'm gonna stick this right on the drill, and I'm gonna go to town on it. Okay, let's see how loud this is gonna be. So I'm gonna edge off this side here, and I don't want to do it too much. It's just gonna be trial and error, a little bit at a time. Okay. Oh, where's my goggles here, my plastic eyewear. Gotta get that on. Wow, that's eating it up good. Hang on to it tight here. Okay, a little bit at a time. Let's try that. You don't want to dig it in there too far, because then it's hard to get it out of the hole that you've already started digging. Okay, have to be careful with that. So let's close it. Look at that. Voila. See there? That is so sweet. I'm liking that. I'm liking that a lot. Okay, so now that I have that, what I'm going to do is this edge is just slightly sharp, you know, from digging in. So now I'm going to use it at an angle here and just kind of clean off the edge of this burrs so somebody doesn't cut themselves on it. Feel that? Okay, that's it. One more time for good measure. Let's check this out one more time. That has been bugging me the whole time I've been here. I've been here almost a week now. And I've been having to push that and clicking it in the middle of the night, waking people up in the next bedroom over and stuff. Got it. When you think you're done, just check your door 3 or 4 times. I'm liking that. Now, let's see what else we got here. Okay, see this bathroom door was driving me batty too. Watch this one. Look, and sometimes when you push it here, you gotta push hard. If you don't push hard all the way, maybe you think you got it clicked. See, I can't. There. I did it one time where it felt clicked, and I couldn't lock the door because I had to push it in like that. That's just too much effort. You shouldn't have to do that every single time you close the door. Okay? So a Raymond I will go. Okay, door number 2, let's do our stuff here. A rim away, a rim away, a rim away, a rim away. It's chattering, it's wanting to chatter, so I gotta hang on to it hard and just do a little bit at a time. Good. There we go. I guess I should keep the drill on kind of low, not high. This thing's cutting really good. I can feel it. Yeah, I don't want to go overboard, because if you do too much, then it's going to be sloppy. You know, as your door closes, I don't like how doors close when they chatter a little bit. Let's see, I think like this door here, I think this one was too much. See how when it closes, you've got that little business there. Okay, I think that was like that over here too. Let's just check this, see. Oh, okay, this one's good. There was another one, where was it? I think it was this bedroom here. Nope, it wasn't that one. I guess it was that other one. It was chattering a little bit. This hallway's fine. Okay. So once it chatters, there's really no way to adjust these, because these don't have the little paddle on there. I've showed you how to adjust strike plates with the paddle before. So if you have a door that's sloppy, what you could do is take some little clear bumpers and maybe put one up here and one down at the bottom or one here in the middle, wherever the slop is, and then maybe it won't chatter. You know, you can get those at the hardware store. So I'm going to set this down here. Let's close this door and see what happens.